Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane. Take here the line command. Or first we will make a rectangle profile. Take 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle here. Here take the coincident constraint. Select here this green point, the center point of this rectangle, and select this. Here go to dimension, define the height as 18 mm and the width as 36 mm. Now here go to arc command, take 3-point arc, make one arc profile, go to dimension, define this radius here as 12.5 and from the center point the base will be at 38 mm. Now go to line, select this point, select here, similarly select here and select here. So this will be the joining profile. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and here select this point. Now go to tangent constraint, select this arc, select this line, select this arc and select this line. Okay. Now escape. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude, select both the profiles. Here give dimension 12 mm and press OK. Now here go to origin. Now we are going to select the center plane. So we'll select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle here again. And we'll start from here. Make one rectangle here. Make another rectangle here. And make one rectangle here. Now go to dimension. Define this height as 12 mm. Define this as 60. Okay. Define this width as 7. Okay. And define this as 7. Okay. Now here go to this dimension 25 and now the other dimension here will be this height of 33 mm. Okay. Now I think all the things are defined. Escape and here go to horizontal constraint, select this yellow point and select this point. Okay. Escape. Now we have a movement here. So to constrain this movement, select coincident, select the line command and select this point. Now escape. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude, select this profile and here we will take symmetric and here we will take dimension 36 mm and press OK. Okay. So this will be the profile. Now go to fillet. Take here radius of 8 mm. Go to edge selection. Select this edge and select this edge. Now press OK. Now go to part 7. So this profile we have made. Now we have to make this circular profile and this cutout. Okay. Go to part 3. Here rotate the profile. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Take the rectangle command. Take 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle profile here till here. Okay. Go to dimension. Define the distance from this end as 12 mm and here the width will be of 14 mm. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this point. Okay. We will take your vertical constraint. Select this point, the yellow point and this green point. Finish sketch. Go to home. take here extrude, flip the direction to cut, and here we will take cut of depth 12 mm. Okay, now go to front view. You can see we have taken cut till here. Go to home and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and select this center point, make circle of dia 8. Similarly here from this center dia 8 and finish sketch. Go to extrude, select both the profiles, take here cut, and we will take here all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Similarly, rotate this profile, select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command. At this center point, we'll make a dia 14 mm and make one dia here of 8 mm. Okay. Now here go to dimension, define this center from bottom at 18 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles, take here cut, rotate. So we have taken here 12 mm dimension and press OK. Okay. Now here we will define the appearance. So here we can take candid blue. Okay, candid blue. So this will be the profile. Okay, so this I think is more extended. You can make it 16 minus 12 and press OK. Now it is looking like this only. Okay, so this will be the final. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.